morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your Margi ma'am. Now children, yesterday we learnt number 2. So today we will revise number 2 by watching some pictures which are related to number 2. So let's start. Number 2. 2 balls. 1, 2. 2 candles. 1, 2. 2 balloons. 1, 2. 2 flowers. 1, 2. 2 bells. 1, 2. Now children, we will do one activity.
Now let us start with the activity of number 2. For that I have got here some of the objects like beads, pencil, chalks, sketch pen and crayons. Now we will count the group of objects and the objects that are 2 in number, we will put cutout of 2 below them. So shall we start? First we will take beads. So tell me children, how many beads are there? Yes. 1, 2. 2 beads. So we will place the cutout of 2 below beads. Now the next object is pencil. Now tell me children, how many pencil is there? Yes, there is only one pencil. So we will not put cutout of 2 below the pencil. Now children, do you see anything here in the square? No, there is no objects in the square. Now, what does that mean? That means it has 0 object. So, here is 0. So, we'll not put cutout of 2 below 0 things. Now, tell me children, what is this? Yes, these are 2 chalks. 1 and 2. So, we will put cutout of 2 below the chalks. Tell me children, how many sketch pen is there? There is only one sketch pen. So, we will not put the cutout of 2 below the sketch pen. And the last object that we are taking is crayons. Now tell me, how many crayons can you see? Yes, there are 2 crayons. 1, 2. So, we will put the cutout of 2 below the crayons. In this way, we will finish the activity.
Children, today we will again write number 2. Here is today's date. 2727-6-2020. Number 2. T for tens, O for ones. Now children, we will write number 2 below the O. First of all, we will put our pencil point slightly below the upper line. Then go up, make a curve
Make a slant line and slipping line. Again, make a curve, make a slant line and slipping line. Curve, slant line, slipping line. Number 2. Same here. Make a curve, slant line, slipping line. Make a curve, then slant line, then slipping line. Curve, slant line, slipping line. Make a curve, slant line, slipping line. Curve, slant and slipping line. And the last time, make a curve, slant line, slipping line. This is our number 2. Children, you have to complete writing number 2 in your notebook like this.
Children, hope you all enjoyed this video.